Hey guys, today is the day. So, we're gonna test out the IPL device, but first, we need to shave. Alright, so here is my hairy leg. Don't judge, they're dry, just got back from vacation and it's cold out and we're not allowed to use cream. Do not forget, don't cream your legs ahead of time or you will burn. So I'm gonna go ahead and shave these legs and test out the device. All right, so it's off right now. Let's turn it on. And I'm gonna keep it at 1, although some people start at 3. Guess I'll try it at 1. Let's test this out. Let's see if it hurts. By the way, guys, I used the razor that they gave us on my other leg, and it was terrible, so obviously I used my own razor so that I wasn't nicked. So let's do this.
Glasses.
Oh, yes, I have to wear my glasses.
I guess I'll close my eyes.
Close your eyes.
Although it's really just for face, but I think it's for, I think it's for
I can't
overall.
even see where I'm going. All right, let's go. Let's do this.
Let's see if it hurts.
And I'm supposed to press it against myself. Yeah. I'm scared. Oh, okay. It's just a warm heat. Okay. Let me just continuously go down.
Yeah, continuous, it would do it itself.
Yep. We can try. I'm going to try, guys, to have it continuously go.
You're going to go fast.
No, didn't work. Let's do it again. Let's try. On. Let me lift. 1, 2, 3.
That says
there we go. It's going too fast for me. Is this really gonna work? Alright guys, so I have to say, compared to my epilator, this is easy breezy. I love how it fits in my hand. It's easy to maneuver, and I've realized that if it's not on skin, the flashes stop. Okay, and then once I place it back, they start again. It's just a warm feeling, not hot. So this is really great. Hopefully it works and I can have painless hair removal. Look, off. Turn it over and turns on again. That's another plus, so you're not wasting your flashes while you're moving. So I'm going to continue this, and I will be doing this 3 times this week, and I will show you the progress.
And you've raised it to 3, just to let
yes,
people know.
and I raised it to 3 since 1 didn't hurt and neither did 2. So hopefully it works, guys. I will show you the outcome in 3 sessions time. See you later. Fingers crossed.